Okay, next up in our video demo series, we're going to be doing our Seashell mold. This is our own 3D printed bath bomb mold. It consists of a bottom plate, an outside shell, and a top plunger. So start by taking your bottom plate, putting it on your table, take your shell, stick it on the top, and start filling. Hover above your mold and just let it fall down naturally into your mold. That's a good way to ensure that you're packing nice and lightly so that your bombs have a fighting chance of floating. All right, take your top plunger, turn it over, stick it on the top of your mold, and we're going to give some presses. Press and turn to ensure a nice even molding all the way around. Tap, tap, tap around the outside shell. Tap on the top plunger. Turn it over, taps on the bottom plate. And we're going to come straight up and off with our bottom plate. Fingers on the bottom of your plunger and put your thumb on the top of your shell, and we're going to push up with our fingers. Cardboard on the bottom and turn it over, and straight up and off with our plunger. And there's a beautiful seashell mold. Okay, you guys, if you would like to purchase this or any of the other molds that we have for sale, you can do so over at soap-chef.com. I will provide a link down below for you.